To set savings goals in Simplifi, start by logging into your account and navigating to the Savings Goals section. This is typically found in the main menu or dashboard. Once you are in the Savings Goals section, click on the option to create a new goal. You will be prompted to enter the name of your goal, such as saving for a vacation or a down payment on a house. Choose a name that is descriptive and easy to remember. Next, you will need to set a target amount for your goal. This is the total amount you want to save. Enter the target amount and select the account you want to use to fund your goal. This can be a checking account, savings account, or other type of account. You will also need to set a deadline for your goal, which is the date by which you want to reach your target amount. Simplifi will then calculate how much you need to set aside each month to reach your goal. You can adjust this amount if needed, and you can also set up automatic transfers to make saving easier. It is a good idea to make your savings goals specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This will help you stay focused and motivated to reach your goals. For example, instead of saying you want to save money, say you want to save $1,000 for a vacation in 6 months. By following these steps and setting clear and achievable savings goals, you can make progress towards your financial objectives and achieve a more stable financial future. Simplifi provides a range of tools and features to help you track your progress and stay on track, including budgeting and expense tracking. Use these tools to monitor your spending and make adjustments as needed to ensure you are on track. To meet your savings goals, remember to review and adjust your savings goals regularly to reflect changes in your financial situation and priorities.